Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today, along with Irene from Irene's Doll Space and Dory from Dory's Dollies, we're doing a collab with our little Big Eye dolls. These dolls are so cute. They're like a Blythe doll. They're actually, I don't know how I'm going to do this. They're actually a cheap, what do you call it? A cheap variation of a Blythe doll, because the Blythe dolls got so popular that Streetwise came out with these in the early 2000s. They have a button on the back of their head to push to change their eye color. I'm holding this weird because, as you can see, I'm injured. Isn't she cute? I love this girl. I just love this girl. We made Valentine's outfits for our doll, and I used the Blythe, the little fold over pattern. It's so popular for the little dresses. I used this for a top. I did line it. It's fully lined. And then I made just a gathered skirt. But if you see, I used metallic thread, and I did that fancy little Valentine stitch at top and bottom. I added purple shoes because I thought it kind of balanced her with her hair. I just love these dolls. They're so cute. They're like a cousin to Blythe and to Pull Up. Thank you for watching. Please go by Dory's and Irene's today. They'll be linked into the title. You can click right off of there. Subscribe to each of us, like our videos, and please leave a comment at each channel.